strong.
Hey guys, Elysian here, back for another video, and today's video I have finally got myself the Innistrad Crimson Vow booster box. It finally arrived today and I am actually really excited because I really want to grab myself like the really good green cards like Dig Up, and because I play Tree Folk I want to grab the new Tree Folk. But yeah, the vampires are actually quite insane. But I'm not building vampires. Vampires never been like a thing for me, so I'll just nah. But I am kind of wanting to grab the really mimic, like little gimmick cards like Wedding Ring and all that. Just get it open. There we go. Got a little nice cover art. And behind it, we have a little pack. So let's carefully remove this. There we go. So, quick snip. It's been a while since I've actually bought a booster box. I think the last box I video was a it was drafts, and here we go. We have ourselves was it Mina Harker? It's a normal human soldier, white human soldier. First strike, non-creature spells cost 1 less more. That's about it. So, really nice card, and we have, where did I put those sleeves? That box of sleeves, where did I put them? Oh, this is this is perfect. Where the hell are they? Oh, put them back in here. We are just going to use some really nice white sleeves. And I'll just pop them here. Oh yeah, this is kind of cool. Nice little cover art. I like stuff like this. Little things, the box, like little extra things they give you. And I've got my trusty pack opening scissors. So let's pop this here. There we go. So some more showcase cards. Well, showcase art cards. So more to add to my little collection. We also have new lands, which I prefer my down monthly ones, to be honest. Our Wedding Invitation, nice. You sack it, target creature can't be blocked this turn. If it's a vampire, it also gains lifelink to the end turn. So yeah, there are a load of like, this is still a vampire main set, but it still has some werewolves in there. So gas, cleave, target human. Yeah, the cleave mechanic is quite a big thing in this set. And then our first werewolf. Kind of looks like a rat, to be honest. And we have one of the showcase arts. Showcase our borders. I kind of prefer the Midnight Hunt ones. So if I do this, yeah. Oh, we have Old Rustin as our rare. I'll put a rares there. Settling. And our foil is Circle of Confinement. Yeah, nice little, and a day and night kind of info card. I don't really see the point in these. I never have. I never understood why they were in there in the first place. So yeah, I always kind of put them in piles, like common, foil, rares, and mythics. Well, rares and mythics go in the same kind of pile. Oh, and now we have a signed one. Nice. I almost got all the ones for I almost have all the cards for Midnight Hunt. I'm just missing a couple. Cat Spirit. It's kind of funny. Square. Blood Hypnotist. Ooh, green. At the beginning of combat on your turn, choose one creature you target +1/+1 and gain trample until your turn. Target land gets add 3 mana. Draw a card if you control a creature with great power 3 or greater, gain 3 life. You know, this card's pretty cool. Oh, it's a story spotlight card too. Nice. I will pop that card over here. Oh, it's rare, that should go here. And little, oh, token. Got ourselves a blood token. That's our first token. Yeah, all fours go here, even if they're like mythics and rares. It just makes it easier to put them out. It's a little info card. Info card, little card art. Like, a friend Todd is star builder. He's got like the Spirit Commander deck, so he's. I wonder if he's forgot the spirits he may have. Maybe. Oh, lighting slightly changed. My camera did not like that one bit. I'll just pop him here so it's easier to put. Oh, human. I guess it's vampire inside. Yeah. Okay, we have Inspired Idea. I think this card's a nice one. It's 3 mana, 2 blue and blue, 2 colors and a blue to draw 3 cards. Your maximum hand size is reduced by 3 for the rest of the game. Like, you draw 3, you kind of lose 3, but I think it's a good card, I think. But you can pay the cleave to, if you do, remove the word in back. So yeah, it if you pay the cleave cost, you remove your maximum hand size reduced. And we have a Oak Shard Stalker as our foil, and no token. There are a couple of, like, the cards I have an eye on are like Dig Up and a sorcery, or is it instant, that allows me to put lands from my bin to the battlefield. That's kind of what I have my eye on. Or exile tugs on the opponent, exiles 2 cards from their hand. The old aim for the head. Undying Malice. Each creature gains when this creature dies, returns to the battlefield tapped on its own control with a 1/1. Zombie Kraken. Got Pestilent Specimen. Blood Hypnotist again. Marvoke. What's the Construct? I remember I used to run like artifacts. Those were good days. Hey, he's one of the commanders for the deck, and he's our first mythic too. Flying at the beginning of your end step, create a blood token for each player who has lost life this turn. Whenever he attacks, you may sacrifice 2 blood tokens. If you do, you may put a vampire card from your hand into the battlefield tapped and attacking. It gains indestructibility on the turn. That's kind of cool. We can see why this guy's a commander. So I'll pop him in this corner, especially with this guy. And we have a vampire assassin, skulking killer. In the battlefield, creature opponent controls get -2/-2. Oh, we have an insect token. I always like getting tokens. It's just me. I always enjoy seeing like how they look. I'm a big thing for like card arts, practically. I know I was saying that I play rats and tree folk, which they don't really have decent looking card arts. Well, tree folks have better card arts than rats, I think. Oh, I think this is one I want. Laid to rest. Whenever a human you control dies. Oh no, this is for something else. Never mind. This isn't the card I was on about. Excuse me, sun. It just got a bit darker in here. Okay. Word of blossom. Salient. Oh, we pulled a planeswalker. That's our first planeswalker and the mythic planeswalker too. Okay, one colorless, a white and a black. Creature you control gain death charge to the end of turn. Put a +1/+1 counter on target creature token you control. Until the end of this, that's +1. -2 until the end of turn. If one or more tokens would be created under your control, twice that many of those tokens are created instead. And then -6, exile all cards from all graveyards, then create a 1/1 white spirit creature token with flying for each card exiled this way. It comes in with 3 counters, so that's actually pretty cool. We should probably, yeah, let's leave up all our mythics. Why not? Keep them all nice. And then we have 4 Shining Hunter. Enters the battlefield, you gain life equal to greatest toughness among other creatures you control. Ooh, little Tekken tree folks, because I do a lot of things with my toughness. And a day and night card. Right, but no, far in, and we already have 2 mythics. That's pretty something to say. I'll probably give Todd all these lands, to be honest. I don't need them, and he likes them. He would actually use them. Child creature, someone enters the battlefield, draw a card, and child creature gets +1/+3. Ooh. The cards in here, there are some cards in here which are the reason why I'm changing up my commander deck, or my tree folk commander deck, because, well, my tree folk's gonna become more of, well, if I got a couple of lands in bin, that's a good thing. Okay, we have, hold on. Partners, first strike reach, combat on your turn, put X 1/1 counters on another target creature you control where X is this card's power, gains haste. Okay, that's kind of cool. We have a, oh, I think I popped down the wrong pile. Yep. And we have Blood Petal 7. Oh, we have a soldier token. Human soldier, looks to be a green white one. Oh yeah, training. That's it. Training's in this set. Whenever this creature attacks with another creature with a greater power, put a +1/+1 counter on this creature. I remember when I was like at the fort, being like my little place I volunteer at. Me and my friend Marcus were going around looking at the set and looking up training. Well, this is a foil land. I believe it's foiled. Yeah, I think it. And we were just looking up training on how we can actually make it funny, and but it seems to be a little bit slow, but it can be quite funny. Okay, we have Creepy Puppeteer, and we have Grisly Ritual, which is destroy target creature or planeswalker. Create 2 blood tokens. You paying that is quite a lot of mana. I don't like this card. That's quite a lot of mana. But if you want to run it, you can run it. It's not my cup of tea. At some point, I do want to open up some Pokemon, some Fusion Strike. I would like to open up one of like either a box or a what's it? Yeah, either a box or bundle box. Well, in ETB pretty much. Strike, choose one target creature gains indestructibility in a turn. Destroy target creature with toughness 4 greater. Ouch, poor trees. No vampire, human wizard. Don't you do something with zombies? No, you don't. So that's our rare. We then have another rare. No, storm. Vampire Clerk. He has a flip form. Okay, that's kind of cool. And we are Stalking Killer and another info card. At some point, I would like to do a profile of my tree folks. It's after after I've changed the cards around, I would like to do a little profile of that. Because I did one for my I did one for my rat. I actually did 2 of my rats. A couple years ago I did a profile of them, and I did a profile about a month ago maybe. Board token. And then I use a website that allows me to like build magic deck. It's pretty cool. Yeah. A lot of blue in this set, surprisingly. I thought there would be a little black in here mainly. But there's a lot of blue cards. Okay, we should be getting to our bear. There we go. Grief Reaver. He has the exploit, is when this creature attacks. When this card enters the battlefield, you may sacrifice a creature. When this exploits a creature, destroy target planeswalker. At the beginning of your upkeep, this deals 1 damage to you. And we have a Toxic Scorpion. And nothing. Okay, done for that side. Now let's go to the middle. I think the cats entered my brother's room. Okay, so oh, this is pretty good. I like this card because it's a red that allows you to destroy and destroy an artifact. Red doesn't really have that many artifact destruction, so that's actually pretty cool. The grooms, like Alfred. Oh, nice. It's the wedding ring underneath. Oh no, a werewolf. That's kind of funny opening both of them in the same pack. Oh, look who's back. Board window's not that great. Oh, of course, we have this planeswalker in there too. I forget about her. She's actually got 3 artworks, I think, in here. Same Markov. Markov's got a couple of new ones. Christ, this is a zombie pack or something? Okay. Oh, I thought we were just going to open nothing but zombies. Hopeful. And child creature, turns back for draw card. Yeah, it's the same one we already opened. Nope. One moment. BRB. Okay, I am back. My cat wanted my attention. Okay, here we go. The last card was Cult of the Waxing Moon. There we go. Yeah, my cat, Milkshake. Don't ask about the name. My brother named him. Got into a place where he should not have been. So I just had to quickly take him out. Should probably move this. There we go. Yeah, for those who don't know, I do streaming. I try to stream, but I've been way too busy and things keep coming up. But I should be streaming. Well, today I guess. This video will be uploaded Tuesday, the 23rd. So yeah, if you guys want to come around, I will be streaming some Pokemon Unite. I won't be streaming Diamond and Pearl because I'm still casually going through it. So yeah, I just had a lot to do. So yeah, maybe there 6 o'clock. Well, it should be 6 o'clock tomorrow. And yeah, we'll just smash us some Unite. After me just smashing out Pokemon, I spent 10 hours Friday trying to get Shiny Chimchar. It just wasn't happening, so I just decided I was just gonna play through the game. Oh, Hero, I forgot. Hero's Downfall got a reprint. Forgot about that. Card to our rare. Yep. And oh, we have a 4. Oh yeah, we have one of these like old cards. Tax box, sack of land. Oh. No thank you. I do not like the sack of land. It won't. The only deck I'll put I don't mind sacking lands is my Tree Folks, because I know I can get those lands back. Oh, another shiny land. Okay, come on. Oh, Charmant. Whenever you discard one or more cards, create a tap 2/2 black zombie creature token. This ability triggers only once each turn. Huh. Okay. That's cool, little rare. And we have on Hollowed Phalanx. And it's Battlefield tapped. It's a 113. Oh, big. And then there's some spirit tokens. Huh, it's actually got the same toughness as my tree. I have in my trees, I have a card that you tap it and you exchange its toughness with your opponent's life. So your opponent's life becomes 13 and this card becomes whatever your opponent's life was. It's a bit insane. I got it off a couple times. Oh, dagger. It's only got dark again, dude. With a lot of clouds today. Hang on. Turn on my light for the meantime. There we go, that's... Oh, hello again. Oh, we have... Oh no, you're there. You go down there. And our foil and our info card. Day and night cycle. Probably. There we go. Clean up a little bit. Okay. Oh, just notice my little nano block. Target creature gets next 13, next 13 until your turn. If that creature would die, it's exiled instead. Nope. I debated on this card. I think it's decent. You're negging something 13/13, which is insta kill. Definitely gets around in indestructible. Show me the where. Oh, okay, it's not one of you. Foil is another hypnotist and a little info card. Kiss, crazed, another grooms, but another brides. It's like the time I've opened both of them. Oh, we have another one of these asks for rare. It's just, oh, it's not really any changes. Okay, we'll pop you there. Defender, transform, activate only a sorcery, and what do you become? It's eye, oh, an eye hole. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Rare, well, no, rare are foil. Enchanted creature or land. As long as enchanted creature is permanent, enchanted permanent is a creature and it gets +2/+2. As long as enchanted permanent is a land, it has tap, produce 2. Ooh, this is definitely going in trees. And our token. Oh, we got a new zombie token. So it doesn't say it has to be a basic land, so ooh, I like that. Trees are becoming, that's the thing, I've been trying to buff up trees for so long. Because tree folk had always been kind of like a little issue, I guess. Because there wasn't many of them, but now they're getting printed in a couple of sets, which is always pretty cool. We have our first land, and we have another aim for the head. Well, we have another land underneath, and it counts as a swamp and a mountain. Blood Crypt. As Blood Crypt comes into play, you may pay 2 life. If you don't, Crypt comes into play tapped instead. Okay, that's kind of cool. Oh, that's a full swamp. Blood fountain. We have the frog, which gives croak counters, which is kind of funny. Another ragged, and we have another blood token. I should probably like make my own blood tokens. I do need to start doing tokens again, just designing them. Oh well, I still actually need to finish my friends order. We have a rare spirit and a foil human, and we have a card from Stuck Havens. Exile target non-land permanent. Its controller creates a 3/2 red and white spirit creature token. Now on the other side, the last pile. I haven't seen Wedding Ring, which is kind of a little bit of a shame because I think it's a hilarious card. And we have a slug. Wait, what makes slug tokens? Oh no, it makes slug tokens. Must have been a card I haven't read. That's kind of funny. Well, that's kind of cool. Oh, another foiled land. Okay. We only have one roll left. What can we get with our packs? Rare. Foil and blood token. I think now I have 3. One more than I have a playset. Oh, it's another signed one. I haven't had a signed one in a while. That's Lava Arts. Oh, we have ourselves a mythic, another mythic. First strike, when Century Gatekeeper enters the battlefield, exile a card from a graveyard. When a player plays a land or casts a spell that, if it shares a card type with the exile card, it deals 2 damage to target player. That's kind of cool. Let us. Oh, that's the wrong sleeve. There we go. Put you over here. And little spirit boy. And we have a dragon illusion token. I didn't even. Come on, there we go. Should not take 3 attempts to open up a pack. Or do I think this has to be my favorite art. Demonic bar. Oh, it's demonic bargain. Of course. Hey, Nature's Embrace. Oh, Ancient Lumberknot. Each creature you control with toughness greater than its power assigns combat damage equal to its toughness rather than its power. This is a card that's going in trees because I need to replace a couple of tree folk. We have Patchwork Claw as our rare, and we have the Beast Trample of Haste. What did you do when you transform again? Yeah, creature go to +1/+1 Trample of Haste. That's kind of nice. Strength of Night. Kicker. You may pay additional black as you pay this card. Creature you control get +1/+1 to end turn. If you pay the kicker cost, zombies you control get an additional. Sure. Who the hell is playing black green zombies? No, we've opened with 3 zombies. Good. Brumble Worm. Oh, yeah. Return up to 1 target creature card and up to 1 target non-creature permanent card from your graveyard to your hand. Then we exile this card. This card's definitely going in my Tree Folk. No, we have one of the new double lands. If you control 2 or more lands, it comes in untapped. And look at the top 7 cards of your library. Put 2 land cards from them into battlefield tap. The rest go to the bottom of your library in a random order. Again, my Tree Folks they're slightly changing, so this is probably going to go in there, and an info card. All this power's kind of gone everywhere now. Okay. There are any packs left. Pretty sure I pulled that card. Okay, Evolving Wilds. Pretty sure we always get Evolving Wilds in some form and another. Oh, we got the other art of it now. Nice. Oh, we have our 4th mythic. Pretty sure we only get 4 mythics per box. So flying at the beginning of combat on your turn, choose one that hasn't been chosen. Each player sacrifices a creature, you draw a card and you lose 1 life. Transform. And what do you do when you transform? Flying Death Touch life playing each creature you control with Flying Death Touch and all lifelink get +0/+1 +1/+0 to end turn. So that's pretty cool. And then we have, I'll just put this here for now. Peasant lifelink foil. There are 4 mythics. Everything else should be rares, I believe. And I hope I pulled pretty good on my bundles Friday. Manifestation. Oh, that's a rare, you go there. Foil, and I'll place our blood tokens. This is gonna be a long video. To be fair, magic boxes always have a lot of cards in them. As is another foil land. Was that like 36 packs or something? Oh, foil land. Human Clerk, I think. Oh, no token this time. Oh, it's from Keldheim. Oh. I only know it's from Keldheim because I recognize the set code. Well, the set code, and I recognize the image. Well, the little symbol on the cards. Real tough 4 cards. Yeah. Yeah, reveal the top 4 cards of your library. Put all land, reveal this way into your hand, and the rest go to the bottom of your, go to the bottom. Well, go to your graveyard. So again, another way of just getting a lot of lands out. Oh, we have a 5th mimic. What? Mythic. What? Ooh. Enters the battlefield or dies. Exile another target card from a graveyard if you choose one. Remove X cows from target permanent, where X is the mana value of the exiled card. Target creature get an opponent controls get neg X to your turn. X is the mana value of the exiled card. Okay. Fair. I wasn't expecting another mythic, to be honest. I was not. Yeah, I like card games. I'm nuts. Here we go. Our last pack. What can we get from our last pack? Oh no. No. Don't you dare. My pile almost just fell down. Oh, that's a rare. I just... Flying Soulbound. You can pair this card with another untapped creature. When either enters the battlefield, you may remain paired for some reason, as long as method is paired. Don't know if it's work with Marcus's deck. I'll have to ask him. And then change our fortune. Discard your hand, draw a card for each card you've discarded this turn. Oh. Foil. There's a little vampire guy. And we have our human token. Yeah. Opening 5 mythics is actually I'm pretty good about that. That was actually pretty cool. So yeah. I'm going to now actually organize this mess, and yeah, I will see you guys in the next video. I want it to be another like a new Pokemon video, so yeah, stay tuned for that, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.